everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Canva application on your computer. To download Canva application on your computer, first of all, open a web browser. You can open up any web browser of your choice. After you do that, go to the URL box and type in canva.com/download. You will then be able to see this Download Canva for Windows option in the official website for Canva. Click on the Download Canva for Windows option and auto-download process will start. You will be downloading the Canva setup file, which you should click on after the download is completed. After waiting for a couple of minutes, you should see this Open File option. Click on Open File and the Canva installation process should begin. Wait for the installation to start. Follow through the on-screen installation instructions. After waiting for a while, the application will be installed on your computer. You can now start the login process. So that's how you easily download the Canva application on your computer in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.